Is she angry because you made fun of her? I'm Addison, and here is your private affirmation session to eliminate teasing others from your list of bad habits. These vintage quotes are 18 affirmations to repair your childhood patterns, feel genuine connection for people, and improve your interpersonal skills. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. My work always tried to unite the true with the beautiful, but when I had to choose one or the other, I usually chose the beautiful. Tom Stoppard. 17. All men are frauds. The only difference between them is that some admit it, I myself deny it. H.L. Mencken. 16. The best effect of fine persons is felt after we have left their presence. Ralph Waldo Emerson. The conscience of a people is their power. John Dryden. Better late than never. Titus Livius. Art is a collaboration between God and the artist, and the less the artist does, the better. André Gide. Madam, I have been looking for a person who disliked gravy all my life. Let us swear eternal friendship. Sydney Smith. I cannot live under pressures from patrons, let alone paint. Michelangelo. Death is a delightful hiding place for weary men. Herodotus. The success combination in business is do what you do better, and do more of what you do. David J. Schwartz. People say that life is the thing, but I prefer reading. Logan P. Smith. Art does not reproduce what we see, rather, it makes us see. Paul Klee. Music when healthy is the teacher of perfect order, and when depraved, the teacher of perfect disorder. John Ruskin. In wilderness is the preservation of the world from walking. Henry David Thoreau. Well, I'm not afraid to say something if I think it's funny, even if it's harsh or racist. Sarah Silverman. My mom taught me the value of life. Her own life was saved by my grandmother during World War II. Leonardo DiCaprio. You have to take risks. We will only understand the miracle of life fully when we allow the unexpected to happen. Paulo Coelho. Mistakes are part of the game. It's how well you recover from them, that's the mark of a great player. Alice Cooper. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.